Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a curved arrow in Photoshop. I already create a new layer. Click the shape tool, right click on your mouse, click custom shape tool, shape drop down menu and find your shapes. Then I use this shape example. Again, press enter, color. Okay, then go to edit. Right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again, right click, rasterize, then edit, puppet work, and click your point to carve. I click here this. Okay, then click and move it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.